I'm back. Yo, what's good, y'all? So Trill, and I don't think y'all expected a back-to-back unboxing, but today we got the ZTE Maven 3. It took way too long for me to get this, but the price was just not right. So, I mean, it's still not really right, but I thought I'd just get it anyway. So, yeah, got this from AT&T. No, I did not get it from AT&T. I got it from Family Dollar, and they had the AT&T prepaid version. So, let's get into it. Alright, so we're at the glorious unboxing table, as you can see. And we got the ZTE Maven 3. So let me get the receipt real quick. And here is the price from this. I got it from Family Dollar. It was $37.29. So, you know, it's a decent price, but I heard it was like $15 before, so I'm not that happy with the price, but it is what it is. Anyways, we have the ZTE Maven 3 here. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that today, but AT&T prepaid unlimited data, blah, blah, blah. We already know about that. On the right side, we don't got anything. On the back, we don't got anything. On the left side, we don't got anything. On the bottom, that's private information. And on the top, we got dust because nobody must have touched that in a while. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. And then we got more data information about, well, data. We got Android 7.1.1 Nougat, which I was not expecting. So we got 8 gigs of internal storage and up to 32 of expandable storage, which obviously the card, it don't come with the phone, like for this cheap. 5-inch FW VGA touchscreen. I wish I could tell you guys what that even means. So it's not even HD, I could tell you that much, but, well, really, that's it. 5 megapixel autofocus with LED flash and 2 megapixel front camera and a 2115 mAh lithium ion battery, as usual. And now what we're gonna go and do is, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So, I really don't know how you open this, just like usual. So how you open it is, you just go ahead and rip it. I'm surprised it didn't rip at the end like usual boxes. So, at this point, I think you just go ahead and slide it out of here, and then you should be good to go. Yup. And we're gonna go ahead and throw that to the side. And here we have the phone, just the specs again, all that. So I think we can just go ahead and take that out. There we go. And this is what it looks like to the Blade Vantage. I thought the Blade Vantage would be a lot bigger than that, but I guess not. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna just look around this real quick. So on the side here, the left side, we have our 2 volume rockers, which are spaced out. So thanks, ZTE. And on the right side, we have our power button, which is usual. And then we have our AT&T logo, ZTE logo, speaker, camera, flash. At the top, we have a headphone jack because you know I gotta keep pointing that out. And at the bottom, we have our micro USB port. So yeah, they didn't go to USB Type-C yet. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna just go ahead and peel that off, and there we go. So same cheapest look to it, to be honest with you, but it looks a little bit more premium than this, so I'm not really sure. Maybe it's because the ZTE logo is in there, I don't know, but maybe. So it look like we got some type of sandstone material here on the back compared to this, which I don't even know what that is. So it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and just get into this. I have like no fingernails. I'm still trying to work on that. So open these things are always a challenge for me, but we got it open. So where that battery at though? Probably in the rest of the box, so maybe we should go ahead and get into it, Latrell. So let's go ahead and get into that then. So here we have like everything loose. So we have our charging brick, we got our user manuals that we'll never read ever in life, and then we got our charger and our battery. So yeah, probably gonna need that to turn on the phone, probably. So we got the phone turned on here, so same red light. The vibration actually feels better than that phone. I think that was more expensive. I'm not really sure though. But this phone was newer, I think, so yeah. Alright y'all, so it's been a certain number of minutes that I really don't care or feel like looking up. So yeah, we have the phone down here, and I can't tell you, I really do like this vibration out here. Compared to this, it feels like mushy and stuff like that. But this, you know, it feels good, especially when I'm typing. So I am not going to go through this phone right now, and I will get back to y'all on this. And by the way, yes, I also do like the buttons like that instead of just the dots. So yeah, ZTE, keep note of that. And guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I will do another video on this probably. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.